Hi, this is Toma, and I'm about to do an unboxing for EXO's Overdose. So I hope you enjoy watching it. Please excuse my hair. It's been a long day, and I didn't want to put on my Jada hat for this video. So please pardon my due. This is exo-k's mini album. It's got the black detailing, and exo-m has the white detailing. Inside each album, they come with a member card. In this particular album, that's one of the cards. And then each one, this is the CD for that one, and the photo book. And inside, it's got your normal thank yous and song information, as well as the photo book portion, which has got a pretty nice photo book inside. It's got all the images that were revealed during the teasers inside of it. And then in the back's the info. And then also this one. I think Overdose is one of their catchier songs. It gets stuck in your head, or at least the chorus does. But the little mini album overall is very good. That's the photo card I got in that one. And then obviously this is their photo book with their numbers. Which the albums are obviously out now, so you can get them at various places. Depending on where you get them, they're going to have different deals, but it's a decent album, so I definitely would suggest you pick it up. It has, on the box, it actually shows you the songs are actually written on the box. It took a while for me to notice that, because they are in very small print, but it's got Overdose, Moonlight, Thunder, Run, Love, 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 and another version of Overdose on it. And if you look, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the screen, but inside each of the little dots, it tells you the playlist, basically, which was a pretty neat feature. So I would definitely recommend getting both of them. The Korean and the Chinese version are really good. Usually I like one or the other, but I actually enjoy both versions of Overdose. And both versions of the music video are very interesting. I enjoy watching their performances too, because you get to notice a little bit different of each performance. And that's been the unboxing of EXO Overdose. Hope you like it, and hope you check out some of my other videos, mostly on the K-pop TV channel, which is fun cosplay adventures, doing basically K-pop fun at conventions and concerts. So definitely check them out, and thanks for watching.